Lights, cameras, and controversy, Michael Jackson's children step into the spotlight amidst a legal storm. Welcome back to CelebXplore Hub, where we uncover the latest in celebrity news. Today, we delve into the premiere of MJ, the musical, and the drama surrounding Prince, Paris, and Blanket Jackson. From glamorous red carpet appearances to family disputes, the Jackson siblings find themselves at the center of attention once again. Join us as we dissect the highs, lows, and legal woes of this iconic family. Prince, Paris, and Blanket Jackson made a rare public appearance at the press night of MJ, the musical in London, stirring up a mix of curiosity and concern. Despite their father's controversial legacy, the siblings bravely stepped into the spotlight. Joined by a star-studded cast of attendees, including Marisha Wallace and Jeremy Vine, the Jackson children navigated the red carpet with poise amidst ongoing legal battles and familial discord. Behind the scenes, a legal dispute brews between Blanket Jackson and his grandmother, Catherine. With millions at stake and accusations flying, the Jackson family faces yet another chapter of turmoil. As the curtain falls on MJ, the musical's premiere, the Jackson family saga continues to unfold. From legal battles to musical tributes, their story captivates audiences around the world. Stay tuned for more updates on this evolving tale. Thanks for watching CelebXplore Hub.